The longfin eels in Wellington are endemic to New Zealand, which means they are found nowhere else on the earth. They grow to quite a size. They can get up to sort of 24 kilograms, and they also have a fascinating life cycle. They spend half their life in the sea, salt water, where they are basically starting out in life as larvae, and then at that point they'll drift to New Zealand, and then once they get to the shores of New Zealand they become glass eels, which is tiny little critters, tiny little glass eels. And at that point, when they're strong enough, they'll head into the freshwater creeks and they'll be able to swim up in the elver stage and spend their adult life span growing into these monsters that we see here. Once they get to maturity, aged around 20 years old, something around that point, they're old enough to go back to the sea, so back down the creek, out to sea, and we don't really know exactly where, but as far as Tonga, spawn, have the babies, and the cycle repeats.
Longfin eels are predators and they are scavengers. Worms, snails, crayfish, small fish, they'll look for fish eggs, but also they've been known to scavenge carcasses if they're on the riverbank. Basically, they're carnivores, they'll look for whatever they can find.
The important thing about Nature Connections and the longfin eel in the Wellington region is that we are working together to conserve the population. These guys are on the gradual decline, and so it's very important that we work together to look after these longfin eels, the tuna, because we're very lucky to have them. They are an amazing creature and we love them very much.